Yo. Comment came in about how these LED addressable strips work. And I thought I'd take a little time to run through what's going on. These are addressable LEDs, and I've got it mounted to a piece of aluminum with double stick tape as a heat sink. And then these diffuser things, I think these came from either AliExpress or Amazon. I clip on the front to make a nice bezel that diffuses the specific light that comes out of each addressable LED. This strip here is the 144 model, so the distance between each red, green, blue, white diode is as tight as you're going to get in a strip roll format, unless you spend uber money. But for common, it's the most density, and that is set up into 3 regions: right, left, and the top up here. All of it is connected to a little Arduino Nano, and that Arduino Nano is powered by a 5-volt power supply that is of the 20 amp range, I think, because these each LED draws about 30 to 40 milliamps. 144 of them. It's quite a bit of amperage at 5 volts. But the secret sauce here is this little Arduino is connected into SimHub, and the PWM pin is what's connected to the data in channel of the LED strip. The other 2 being your power and your ground. The strip is cut into 3, so there are jumper cables that are soldered onto the leads in connection. So the series starts as 0 here up to about 77. Then it goes from 77 to I don't know how many LEDs this is, 110, and then the other 40 are on this side. And then in SimHub, you are in the LED section, and then you can set this up so that if I open up the test editor, and then it will show as if there was a green flag in the game. Boom. Notice all the LEDs for all 3 strips are now green. Go ahead and go on to yellow. Throw a yellow flag. It's hard to do. Reached out here. Now, they all throw yellow. And some of the options you got within SimHub, which is why this is amazing. You can set the blink delay or different effects. So then, also got the blue flag set up. There. Didn't want that as obtrusive, so it's purely just up top, has a little halo cover. White flag, bright white. But yeah, you can do it. Maybe the secret or the learning opportunity here is these strips don't need to remain together. They can definitely be jumped along. The coolest thing of why I love this setup, the way it's here, is the spotter option. If you go to, say I have a car on my left, well, not only the left side blinks, and if I got a car on my right, right side blinks. Gives you a lot of information. Well, if I can explain anything else, let me know. Hopefully that gives you a couple tips and ideas to build one yourself.